that is. So it's important, friends, to know the signs and symptoms of breast cancer. As you can see, it can start as a lump, either in the breast or in the underarm region. It may be associated with or without pain. There may be skin changes over the breast or in the underarm region. The skin may feel as if it is pulled inside. There may be rashes over the skin, or there may be redness and skin may at times be extremely dry. Or there may be nipple changes. Normally the nipples are pointing outwards, but some changes can happen in it. If you find any of these symptoms, without neglecting, without wasting time, it's important that you see the doctor. In India, it is estimated that 1 in 28 women are likely to develop this disease sometime in their life. But unfortunately, India has the worst ratio of women losing out to this disease. For every second woman who is diagnosed with this disease, one may not get cured and actually succumb to it. And the scenario in the developed countries is extremely different, though the incidence of this disease is very much for this. I don't think anything is more fulfilling for a doctor than seeing the happy faces of patients and their family members. Do you agree? Nothing can be more fulfilling for a doctor than this. It's indeed a big moment for all of us from Apollo Hospital and Stree. Just to tell you a little about this organization, Stree. Stree stands for Support to Heal, Restore, Empower and Energize. We started this organization in the year 2014. This organization consists of breast cancer survivors. These are the women who had breast cancer in the past. They have completed the treatment and today they are living a normal life. We have all of them here and a big round of applause to all of them. It is a difficult treatment and they have successfully completed it. And not only have they completed it, they have come out today to spread this message as brand ambassadors that breast cancer, if detected early and treated properly, can almost completely be cured. And they are the live examples. I'm sure you have heard all of us.
So we are actually observing 1 month of breast cancer awareness. As a part of this breast cancer awareness of observation for 1 month, we are organized here the breast cancer or breast health symposium. And to participate in this symposium, of course, we have more than 200 breast cancer survivors have come. They have traveled many kilometers. They have traveled from all districts of Karnataka. Some of them have traveled from a neighboring states. They all have come here. 200 of them. They are already addressing, and then it's a self-help group also, because each one of them are sharing. They have a story to tell about their journey and how they fought cancer, and it's an inspirational story for everybody. What happens is that, a few years ago, if somebody is diagnosed with cancer, it was like a death warrant. But situation has changed today. Today we have adequate infrastructure, we have adequate skill set, we have technology, and over and above, what was lacking was the confidence. So today, I think all these cancer survivors, they are telling the entire community that cancer detection is just like any other disease detection. There is hope. What is most important, what you should have is you should have the courage, you have the fighting spirit, and you all should become the heroes. And then all these people, I call them as heroes. They are conquerors, they are warriors. They have fought cancer and conquered. So they fought this war against cancer, and they have survived. So this is the message which they are telling to the entire community, the entire population, the entire world, that cancer is, the moment you are diagnosed with cancer, it's not a death sentence. but you have a chance to survive. You need to fight and overcome.
Okay. Can you what about to tell to cancer patients, sir?
No, cancer patient, what we want to tell is that, see, Apollo is committed to cancer, and Apollo as an organization, we have a very special focus on cancer care. We have created a separate vertical, and we have the best of technology in the world we have brought in. In fact, in the entire Southeast Asia region, we brought the first proton therapy to our Chennai hospital, and we interact and they integrate with the care across across India. So all our centers, wherever there is a cancer care, we do integrate, and then we have an integrated program.
So do you feel that
Sir, one second. Few many people will come to your hospital. What about the poor sector? Which way you are helping
See, we have a plan for everybody, and economically backward section also we have a program. We have a charity fund is there. There are a lot of fund being collected. There is micro funding is there, social funding is there. So we organize fund for treatment of poor patients also. So we have an option for everybody, rich as well as the poor or the non-affordable patients also have a place to come and get treated in our hospital. We do help them with and also we subsidized our packages also for them to accommodate to poor people.
So it's a time to people feel that we should have special cancer care clinics.
We do have a special cancer care clinic. Screening camps are conducted at different places, but at the same time the radiation therapy etc. requires specialized equipment, so that can be only as a part of the hospital. So chemotherapy can be administered in a lower level hospitals. Radiation, it has to have the equipment support, so therefore it will be possible only in a certain level of hospitals.
And finally, what are the challenges you see in implementing the care?
The most important challenge today is early detection. So a patient, when he has the symptoms of cancer, he should report immediately and seek hospital help, doctor's help immediately. So if you delay it, early detection is the most important aspect of a cancer care. The earlier you detect, the more the chances for survival or recovery and conquering cancer. And the other challenge is probably the patients not having the confidence. So the moment someone is diagnosed with the cancer, they think it is the end of life. They give up. And that should not be there. The cancer, you should have a fighting spirit, and you should know that the cancer is curable and fight till the end. And then you will find miraculous recovery for most of these patients.
Thank you.
My name is Davison. I am regional CEO for Apollo Hospitals, Karnataka region.
Thank you, sir.
ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಲೋ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಪೋಲೋ ಬನ್ನೇರುಘಟ್ಟ. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ತಿಂಗಳು ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ದೇವ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಚ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್, ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನರ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿತ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಆತಂಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬಹಳ ಜನ, ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 10 ಜನ, ನಾನು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಸರ್ವೈವರ್ಸ್, ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಸರ್ವೈವರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೌರ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರಿಗೆ ನಾನೊಂದು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಚೆಕಪ್, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಚೆಕಪ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಆಗ ಪಾಪ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಪೌರ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಂಪ್ಸ್, ಬ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಂಪ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಸೋ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಿದ್ವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಭಯ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೋದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನೀವು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಈಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಬಿಲೋ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 50. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ 25 ವರ್ಷ 35 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಬೌವ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 30 ಒಂದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಚೆಕಪ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಮ್ಯಾಮೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆ್ಯಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ at the ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಪಾಪ ಒಬ್ಬರು 24 ವರ್ಷ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಆಗ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು 60 ವರ್ಷ. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ವೈವರ್ಸ್. ಆದರೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿಯರ್ ಟು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗಮನ ಇರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Thank you.
Thank you.